Hey everybody, this is Chris.Buystedt from Guaranty RV Supercenter in Junction City, Oregon. I'm excited to present to you this 2020 Forest River Heritage Glen Hyperlight 23 RBHL. Now, people are really attracted to the Heritage Glen trailers because they are chock full of upgraded features and options. There's some notable construction features that the Northwest campers are really attracted to. This one has a Luma frame construction with vacuum bonded sidewalls and floor. This is what makes it not only durable for dry camping or boondocking off grid, but it's lightweight as well and beautiful. They have upgraded insulation package with heated and enclosed underbelly and dump valves. You can rest assured that you are going to stay warm during those cold winter months. On the outside, there are several notable features as well. Every Heritage Glen is equipped with a power tongue jack, large double propane tanks with a cover, extra large pass-through storage. Overhead, you see that we have a large power awning with LED lights. A matter of fact, every light in the trailer and out is LED lit. So it is beautiful, it's brilliant, and it is easy on battery power. You can listen to your favorite music through these two waterproof outdoor speakers. Another nice feature of the Heritage Glen trailer is large 30-inch doors and solid steps for easy access and loading. Now, I love showing these trailers because they really have the wow factor. The Heritage Glen trailers have some of the most beautiful and modern interiors of any trailer on the market. They have wonderful floor plans, and I'm really excited to take you in and show you this one. Now, for a very small trailer, this is only less than 25 feet total length. You have got a wonderful floor plan. It's a rear entry, so you walk up those solid steps, and onto your left is a wardrobe, and there's also, walking into the corner, a bathroom there. Plenty of space. You can shut the door and have all the privacy that you need. There's a nice radius shower in the corner, medicine cabinet and sink, and a little bit of storage in there. When you walk into the rest of the trailer, you're going to notice wonderful colors, beautiful what looks like wood flooring. There is a nice refrigerator to the left, and across from that is your kitchen, your sink, your microwave, 3-burner cook stove, oven, and a really neat little dining area there for a couple stools, and the TV is right there, so there's a place to eat. And instead of giving you a huge dinette, they give you that little dining area spot. And then they, in the slide out across from that, they give you this really nice trifold sofa. And so you have the ability to sleep extra people there, as well as have a really comfortable place in front of the TV that you can actually relax and eat and snack while you're watching TV. It's really cool. And it's in a trailer that's this small. It's so neat to have all of these features in the floor plan done so nicely. You also have a really nice little bedroom area there. It's a queen bed, really good mattress. This one has nightstands on either side, and you've got a definite place for a closet and hanging things like shirts and coats and things. You've got a little laundry chute there, which is neat because you can throw wet clothes, socks, things like that you just want to get out of the trailer real quick, and it'll land right in that large pass-through in a laundry basket for you. This is an amazing trailer. It's so, every little part of it is so well thought out. I think it's something that you really would love to come see. I would love to show it to you. So please give me a jingle. My name is Chris.Buystedt. You can call my cell phone or text me 541-636-7878 and make an appointment.